hey, just enjoying my cup of coffee. Iced coffee. Did you hear there's AirPods Lite? Let's talk about them. By the way, I know you guys are jealous of my cup. Hey guys, welcome back. I am Danny, your friendly tech amigo. And yes, there's something really weird going on. So, Apple has put out this iPhone mini 12, iPhone mini 13, canceled it, and then put an iPhone 14 Plus out. That didn't go as expected. And now they are talking about canceling or postponing or, I don't know, maybe never even shipping out the new iPhone SE 3rd generation because, let's face it, nobody cares about the low-end material of iPhones anymore. Everybody wants to buy the newest and baddest iPhone out there. Oh man, gotta cut my hair. But for some reason, and I don't know if this is true, they're talking about coming out with AirPods Lite. Okay, so AirPods 2nd gen was the first wireless buds that was introduced into my family, right? Then I got, these aren't AirPods, but I love these. I love these. Powerbeats Pros. Still use these. And now I got the new AirPods Pros 2nd gen. I did not get the 14 Pro Max, nor the 14 Pro. I got the regular 14. Why? Well, because I wanted to try something new. I wanted to go from the iPhone 12 Pro to the iPhone 14 normal. And have I seen any difference? No, other than the price for me here in Mexico was about 10,000, 12,000 pesos in difference. Everything else was the same or even better with the iPhone 14 regular model. Now, AirPods have been around for quite a while. I think like 2016 when they first came out. Everybody started cloning them. Huge hit, successful. Everybody loved them. And I think everybody loved them because they were already something that were unique. When you bought a new AirPod, iPhone, I don't know if they came in any iPads, but they were already kind of unique, right? So now they want to make some light version, maybe at 129 bucks, maybe at 100 bucks. Don't know really what the plan is, but I don't think that is the right move for Apple. Why? Because we've seen what they've tried to do. Try to put out low-end phones, don't work. And because of that same thing that Marques Brownlee said before, Apple has this ladder, right? So you have an iPad, an iPhone, whatever it is, right? You have the iPhone SE, 2nd gen. You say, oh my God, it's got the 14 or 15 bionic, whatever. LCD display, one camera, 12 megapixels, home button, etc. And then you're like, well, then we got the regular 12, which is probably about 200 bucks more, but you get OLED display, you get the 2 cameras, you get the notch, you get full screen, and you're like, well, I want to make that leap. And then you're like, well, hold on, I might just get the 13 because it's already got, starting off at 128 gigabytes of memory. It's got more RAM, a better processor, better cameras, or so they say. And then you're like, well, why don't I just go with the Pro if you have that money? I think that's the same thing that's going to happen with these AirPod Lites. We don't know the price range. We don't know the features. We don't know who the market is for. Maybe they're going to target for me to get it for my 4-year-old. Don't know yet. Or maybe they don't even know what market that this is for. They just want to put out products. So if Apple puts out these AirPod Lites, I really want to know what's going to set them apart from the AirPods 3 other than the price. Is it going to have the H2 processor? Maybe not. Maybe just the H1. But so does the AirPods 3. Is it going to have longer battery? Okay. Am I really going to be looking for longer battery when I'm going to purchase something that's $100, $120. I don't know. Definitely it's not going to have Find My, or it's not going to have a speaker on the case. It's not going to have a wireless charging case. Will it have USB-C? Don't know. But I don't think this is the route Apple should be taking. Apple is known to set great products at whatever price they want. Why? Because it's a great product. We will buy it because it's a great product. We've seen what happens when you put out lower end models. They don't work. You think you put out a lower end high model, which is the iPhone 14 Plus, didn't work. So do you think AirPods Lite will work? Let me know down in the comments down below. I am Danny, your friendly tech amigo, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.